Here I have VIVO V29, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time like this, and the screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and let's get it. So one last time, volume down, power key, and we got these screenshots. So when you're done taking screenshots, you can find them in albums, in this special screenshots album. And from here you can share, edit, delete them, and also perform other actions from this list. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.